everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this tutorial on how to do a gel polish manicure using these fun star glitters. These are from Magpie Beauty. I'll put a link to their website in the description, and these are the Gabby stars. As for the rest of the manicure, you are going to need a nude colored sheer gel polish. I'm using Luxio in the color blush. I'm also using their base and their top gloss. I'm going to be using a cuticle skiver bit for prep and a dotting tool. And then you also need these along with your regular file, buffer, cleanser, and then I'm also using a cuticle pusher. So to begin, I'm going to be pushing back her cuticles and doing this very gently and just making sure we get all of that area cleaned up. Next, I'm using my skiver bit to prep that cuticle area and get off anything that's kind of stuck onto the nail plate. So first, I am going to be using this in forward, and I'm going one direction, and then I'm going to flip it into reverse and go the opposite direction. This way the skin on all sides of the nail gets pushed back, and it just makes it for a lot cleaner look, in my opinion. And when you do this, you want to be very, very gentle and have your Efile on a very low speed, and also keeping that bit parallel to the nail so you're not angling it into the cuticle and like pushing too hard. So again, it's very gentle. And then also if you are left-handed, you'll do the opposite. So you would actually put your Efile in reverse and then go one direction and then turn it back forward and go the opposite direction. Next, I am just trimming and filing her nails so that they all are even and match in length. And then if necessary, I'm going to trim any cuticle or hangnail that is hanging off. I really don't go to town when trimming like near the cuticle area. I really just get anything that is obviously hanging off and it's dead skin. After I have finished with that, I am going to gently buff all of the nails, and then I'm going to cleanse them with nail cleanser. And again, if you're using a different brand of gel polish, you want to just make sure and double check the instructions because every brand of gel polish is a little bit different as far as how you prep the nail. So I'm going to start by applying one coat of that base gel, and I am going to cure that for 30 seconds in my lamp. You need to cure the Luxio gel polishes for at least 30 seconds. And then I am going to apply one coat of that Luxio in the color blush, and I'm also going to cure that for 30 seconds. If you are looking for a little bit more color on the nail, you can always add a second coat, or you can actually use a more full coverage, more opaque color to put under the star design. So once that is cured, I'm going to apply one coat of the Luxio gloss to the nail, and I've poured some of those star glitters in a little tray so it's a little bit easier for me to use. And I'm using my dotting tool, and I'm just getting a tiny bit of gel on the end of that dotting tool so that the glitters kind of stick to it, and I am placing them individually on the nail one at a time. And the reason I put the Luxio gloss on top and put the glitters in that is because that blush color does have a tiny bit of tint of color, so if any of the gel goes over top of the glitter, it'll kind of take away that effect. You'll be able to see like a little bit of cloudiness over top of the star glitters, so that's why I prefer when I'm placing glitters to place them into a clear top coat or a clear gel, so that way if any gel seeps over the edges of the glitter, you're not even going to be able to tell because it's clear. This can be a little bit time consuming, but kind of once you get the hang of it, it's pretty quick. And it's just kind of a fun way to add a little bit of sparkle to your nails. This is my sister who I'm working on, and she always loves more of like a natural nail look. So this was kind of fun for us to still keep it natural, but add a little bit of fun sparkle to the nail. If you are worried about messing up any of the glitters, you can always cure one nail at a time and go back and forth. I went ahead and did all 5 nails and then did my 30-second cure in the lamp. And now I'm going to use that gloss again, and I'm actually going to make sure and top coat these twice, curing in between each layer of top coat, so that way you get a nice gloss over those glitters, because if any of the gloss does not cover the glitter can like pop off of the nail and flake off. So I always do 2 top coats just to make sure they are nicely sealed in, and then make sure and cure those layers for 30 seconds each. And here is the end result, this really fun star glitter manicure. And the Luxio gloss is not a no wipe top coat, so I do have to cleanse with my cleanser afterwards. So I'm just going to cleanse that inhibition layer off, and then I'm going to add some cuticle oil to her cuticles and some lotion. And that is the finished look. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or I want to know like what you want to see next. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.